how do we define a non-performing Facebook ads? Now, to me, there are a few criteria. First thing first, it is not generating results. That's for sure, it's not performing. Okay, meaning you have been running this for 3 days at least. I mean, here's the thing, right? When do we actually come in and decide whether this is a performing or non-performing campaign? I usually would give it at least 48 hours to like up to 3 days. Of course, if you're spending huge amount, then within a day or two, when we have kind of like reached enough people, then we will know that, oh, maybe we should make a decision whether this is working or not. But usually when we are spending at a lower budget, I would recommend to give it at least 2 to 3 days time to let it brew, because Facebook advertising sometimes takes some time to really gather enough data and learn. So first, when you're not generating any results, so that's a non-performing campaign. Now, the second one is you are actually getting some results, but the cost is ridiculously high. Like I just had a discussion with one of my clients, which launched a campaign in Australia 2 days ago, and the cost per result went up to about like, usually we are getting about like $20 to $30 per purchase, but this time around, we're seeing about $250 per purchase, which is, of course, it is ridiculous. So this is definitely a non-performing campaign. So these are the simple definition of a non-performing campaign. But of course, if you have prior data to use as benchmark, like what I've shared with you just now, it would be great. However, if you do not, I think the simplest way to come in here is you definitely understand what is the margin you have for your product. Let's say if you're selling something at $10, for example, and your margin is about 30%. So which means what you are actually comfortable with would be you spend $3 to get one purchase, but you're actually spending about like $30 to get one purchase, then definitely it is non-performing.
Whenever you're ready, let's work together to take your campaign to the next level. Scan this QR code to apply for my one-on-one Meta Ads coaching program. We're going to start with getting the foundation right, where you and I are going to dive together to your existing campaign and identify what are the optimization opportunities in your campaign right now. If it's necessary, we will rebuild the whole foundation from scratch. From there on a weekly basis, we're going to work together to analyze and optimize your campaign one step at a time. So this is not a course. This is a done with you program where the whole idea here is, first, you want to get your campaign optimized by a Meta Ads certified pro and somebody who's been running ads for a long time. And at the same time, we want to make sure that the knowledge transfer is going to enable you to do this on your own in the future. So the whole idea here is, if you want to become a better Meta advertiser and to stop making decision based on gut feeling and start learning how to really analyze and make informed decision to take your campaign to the next level one step at a time, scan this QR code and I look forward to work with you.